In this video, I'm going to show you how to add free live chat to your WordPress website. To add free live chat in WordPress, open your browser. In the search bar, type Tidio and hit enter. Click the first Tidio website link that appears. On the Tidio official website, in the top right corner, click the Get Started Free button. Here, you need to create a free account. Enter your email address, password, and website URL. Check the agreement box and then click the Get Started for Free button at the bottom. On the next page, enter your name. Below that, choose your job role and how you interact with customers like WhatsApp or email. Choose the live chat option, then click Next. On the next page, select your industry, company size, number of interactions you get, and how your website was built. Click Next. Choose as soon as possible for the integration timeline, then enter the appropriate answer and hit Start at the bottom. On the next page, click Let's Go at the bottom. This will take you to the Tidio dashboard. Now, in a new tab, log into your WordPress website dashboard. In the left navigation bar, look for the Plugins tab. Hover over it and click the Add New Plugin option. In the search bar, type Tidio and install the first Tidio plugin that appears. After a few moments, click the Activate button. In the left navigation bar, click the Tidio Chat option. Log into your Tidio account that you created earlier. On the next page, choose your website from the drop-down menu. Then click the Integrate Your Project button at the bottom. The live chat is successfully added to your website. To check, simply open your website in a new tab. In the bottom left corner, you can see the Tidio live chat pop up